Hello team, welcome to another video. And today's video we're going to be discussing a bit of what's going to happen this week, a bit of forecast, looking at the news, checking Forex Factory, see if there's any upcoming news, as well as maybe talk a bit about pot firms. We're going to be analyzing EU, or maybe I'll dive into another pair, but let's start today's video. Right, I believe the camera is fine. You can see me and hear me properly. Um, so basically, what we're gonna be doing today is identifying the trend and what's happening with EU in general. Um, so basically, what I'm seeing is EU has been downtrending since September. To be more precise, it's reached its peak on the 17th of September on the 4 hours time frame. So basically, what it has been creating, it has been creating lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. It tried to create a higher high there, but it fell, so it kept going down with another lower low, lower high, lower low, and now it's going all the way up here. So this could be just another lower high, and the markets could go down and break this level, retest it, and keep going down. So basically, what I am um, looking at now, I'm only looking at the short term, which is the 4 hours. So potentially from now till the end of, December, um, potentially before the new year. So what I'm looking here, so I'm looking at this window just from here till potentially, I would say, you just do, for example, December. Yeah, so the end of the month. Um, right. Basically, what the market is doing here is creating higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, another higher low, higher high, another higher low. It could potentially go up. So what I'm looking at now is potentially going long for the market. So looking for buying opportunities. So if I'm gonna be frank with you, I'm gonna be long in the market, not short in it, even though the market is going bearish. The reason being, I'm only looking for sells for buys from here till here, just short term. So short term buys on EU. So this is something that I'm gonna be looking at potentially. People that don't know the strategy that I'm using, I have discussed it in previous videos, and I broke it down and I explained it. Um, but yeah, for this video, I'm just gonna be talking about the overall trend, not really diving into details. But the trading journey is looking to buy Euro USD at least from now till, I would say, um, the end of November at least. We're on the 18th of November now, so I would say at least till the end of November, I'm going to be looking for buys unless this happens. Unless this level gets broken, this level gets broken, and it comes down, retest it, then start going down. That's when I'm going to start looking for sells. But at the moment, I'm looking for buys. Right, this is the projection for EU, which is euro against the US dollars. Basically, what we're gonna do now is look for news. So I go to Forex Factory all the time. Let's refresh this page. Um, so Tuesday, which is today, there is unemployment claims. It's already gone at 8 a.m. UK time. So we're gonna be looking at tomorrow. Tomorrow there is an FOMC meeting minutes. This means I am not trading 15 minutes before the news hits. So let's say I am on a trade and it's 6:45 p.m. UK time. I'm closing 15 minutes before news. The reason being, what could potentially happen when the news hits? Let's say this is, for example, your trade, right? So your trade is going well, about to hit TP. FOMC happens, for example. It could go either way. It could potentially go all the way up, hit your TP, and keep going all the way up. Or, so this will be a plus for you. This will be basically you benefiting from the move and making money off the move, but it is more like a gamble than a trade setup. So basically, what I will do, I will close the trade 15 minutes before the news happen. I wait for the news, of course. Why? Because sometimes, let's say you are risking 1%. Yeah? Let's remove this. So you are risking 1%. This trade gonna benefit you, I would say, a 1 to 3 risk to reward to be making 3% on your trade. So what could happen? As I said, this could happen where you hit TP and you keep going. Or most of the times, what happens, your trade is going well, happy days, you're very happy, news about to hit, and you're like, all my days, I'm gonna hit target. The news hits, goes all the way down here. Guess what happens? Instead of you losing 1%, you are losing more than 1%. The reason being is when news spikes down the stop loss sometimes doesn't get triggered. So you could lose more than 1 or 2%. But for TP, obviously you make your TP full. You make 3% if you hit TP. But over the long term, is it healthy? Is it beneficial? Is it going to make you money? No. If you're trying to gamble, you can leave the trade running. It could go either way, either in your favor or against you. But for me, over a long term period of time, or me trying to basically trade annually, it's not beneficial. So I'd rather not do that. So I'll close the trades before 7, I believe. Yeah, before 7 p.m. UK time. So I will ideally close this at 6:45, because in that 15 minutes window, the market starts reacting and starts, going a bit crazy. So I'd rather be out of that window. Right. So the trading journey been gone since 2024, a year ago. Yesterday, I uploaded a video explaining why I've disappeared and where I've disappeared, and we're gonna be trying to basically stay on YouTube and actually update you guys. Um, and that's why I'm uploading another video right after yesterday, because I'm trying to be consistent with you guys. Right. Basically, what's gonna happen is us maybe discussing a bit about the YouTube channel growth or the trading journey growth in general. So basically, what I've done is I've created a Discord. So this Discord is basically highlighting everything: news alerts, questions and answers, community chat, weekly analysis, books, funding certificates, motivational reels, as well as purchases. Like it could be cars, watches, houses, anything. Basically, this Discord will be a safe spot for everybody that wanna join a community of somebody that started from nothing. Um, I don't have anyone in Discord now, so I'm gonna manifest and be the first one to post there. So what I'm gonna be doing is this is gonna be the first message. As you can see, this is brand new. Let's go to news alert. Tomorrow at 7 p.m. UK time, there is an FMOC, a FOMC meeting. Therefore, make sure your trades are closed by 18:45 p.m. UK time. Thanks, TTJ. So obviously, when the community is big, people are gonna be reacting with it. Could be, answering messages here, but there is another section for questions and answers. This is just for news, so people are aware that they should be, closing their trades. Right. Okay, now we can look at. So basically, what I'm thinking is, this is exactly what we're doing: is to share with you guys the journey, pretty much this. Just a journey of me being a trader. I've been trading the markets for 5 years now. I haven't made any money off the markets. I don't know if I'm gonna make any money, but I'm very certain if I keep following and doing what I'm doing now, I'm gonna be making a shit ton of money. And as one of the traders said before, trading, and to be more precise, profitable trading, is the biggest fuck you to the world. You could do anything you want, whenever you want, however you want, with whoever you want, because you've got no boss, you've got no one to follow you for overseas deliveries or handling suppliers or anything like that. You basically open your laptop, you just need Wi Fi, an account could be funded or personal, and your brain. And with that, you could be making money. And for that reason, we're going to be pushing till we start making money. And this is it. It will work out. It has to work out. Trading has been plan A since the first day I started. There's no plan B. There's only plan A. There's plan B, which is trading. Plan C is trading, um, and pretty much this. So we'll see what's gonna happen. As for the pot firms, we're looking at funded next for sure. The reason being, they are the ones I got funded with. Then obviously I couldn't pass the KYC verification due to personal issues. Um, and I did explain it in the previous video if you want to look at it and if you want to know exactly why I couldn't pass the KYC verification. Uh, but they treated me very well. They refunded me. They processed the refund quick. Their customer service is really good. They answer emails. So I'll be sticking with Funded Next. Why not? I had the 25K challenge. That's the one I passed. And for that reason, this made me believe that I could pass the 200K or even the 100K. So I don't know if I'm going to be taking the 200K, the 50K, or the 100K, but I'm going to be taking one of them for 2026. And guess what? I'm going to do exactly what I've done for 2025. Just be consistent, just be there, just focus, follow my rules, make sure I'm not breaking any rules for the platform because they've got quite a few rules. And if you break the platform rules, you basically get disqualified or you lose your account. And for that reason, it's going to be a bit more of a pressure. But guess what? It has to happen. It has to work out, and it will work out. With God's will, praying, asking God for more, Allah will give me. He always has been giving me. He's been treating me very well recently. He's looking after me on every single level. Um, and for that reason, I feel like I've got push from God this time because I'm very, very grounded and rooted and very connected to God at the moment, better than last year. A lot of things happened throughout this year, and that made me get very, very close to God. And for that reason, I feel like this year, when I'm pursuing something, I'm not the only one pushing for it. I feel like God is pushing me as well to achieve it. And for that reason, I'm going to be going all in funded next for 2026, and we can see if I'm going to get funded or not. But I'm going to follow my edge. So let's manifest something and put something on Discord. Let's put it on funding certificate. And 2026 I will be a funded trader and a profitable trader. TTJ, thanks. TTJ. And yeah, I think it's gonna happen. I really think it's gonna happen. I feel it. It's very close. You know, when it gets really tough, really rough, all doors start closing on you, and you just feel like something is gonna happen. It's coming. It's coming to you. It's just coming to you. Might be the wrong time, but it's gonna happen. And when it happens, I will be here, regardless of the ups or the downs. But keep watching the journey, keep following the journey, and be part of the community. I'm gonna be posting my Discord link under the video, so you could join and we can have a chat here and there. I have it on my phone as well, so I will be able to answer any messages that goes through Discord or that comes through this phone. And and for that reason, I think this video is done. I've covered enough. I think it's almost 16 or 17 minutes um, video. So I'm gonna stop it for now, and I will see you in the next video.